Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Roblox VNG to normal Roblox. First, quick info, Roblox VNG is a Vietnam-only version of Roblox, and it's separate from the global Roblox app. That means you can switch it inside the app. The only real way is to install the normal Roblox version, so here's what to do. Uninstall Roblox VNG from your phone. Next, open your Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then go to settings and check your country or region. If your Play Store is set to Vietnam, it will keep showing Roblox VNG. To get normal Roblox, you may need a non-Vietnam IP and sometimes a foreign payment method. If Play Store still shows VNG, download Roblox from the official Roblox website. Be careful, don't download random APKs. And that's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.